So this morning, I was in the kitchen and my daughter was playing right next to the kitchen in the living room. And I heard this like gung, and I looked over and I thought she had dropped her little kitchen stove on her toes. And so I ran over there and I noticed that her finger was stuck in this like little hole within like the compartment that you pull out. And immediately I said, "Don't move." And what does she do? She moves. Right? She tries to, yank her finger out, and so I have to pick up the stove and kind of finesse it out. And she's super curious. She's always trying to connect the patterns and explore things and figure it out. And we were at the store, and she starts touching like all the stuff, all the clothes, anything that's out. She just like takes it off and looks at it and puts it back. And because of how things are right now, I tell her, don't touch the things, don't touch it. And what does she do? She starts touching more of the stuff, right? And then she, plays with her mask and starts putting her fingers like on her nose and mouth and stuff like that. And I tell her, don't put your fingers in your mouth, don't play with your nose, don't touch your face. And what does she do? She links this to this pattern of like, okay, I touch the stuff that's out, and I touch the clothes or whatever it is, and then I touch my face. Like this is the pattern that she does. And eventually I tell myself, get it through your head. You need to start saying what you want to happen instead of what you don't want to happen. And then everything works out just fine. Have a great day.